Hi, I'm Jamie with An Oregon Cottage, where you'll find simple whole food recipes, doable gardening tips, and easy DIYs. And I'm happy to be partnering with Gilmour to bring you these summertime yard and garden watering tips. When the weather gets really hot in the summer, you may be actually limited in the amount of water that you can use, or you just may be tired of watering. So I've developed what I call a water triage, because let's face it, it really is hard to just keep watering when you've been doing it for months. So a water triage basically means you focus on the areas that matter the most. And I've got a set of 4 tips for you that will help you to do your own water triage and kind of give you an idea of where to start and how far to move out. When it's hot out, the things that should get your number one attention for watering are your pots. These are the things, whether they're flowers, herbs, or shrubs, which I have some of everything here. You want to keep these looking really good. First of all, it's hard for pots to stay moist. They have a lot less soil to stay moist, and so they need more help. And second of all, they're usually pots that are right by your living space where people come in and see, and so you want to keep those looking the best. It's easy and actually rather relaxing just to come out in the morning or evening and just kind of water a few pots. Soaker hoses are the answer for raised beds and vegetable gardens. They will keep the water, again, at the root where the plant needs it. You'll also benefit from putting some sort of grass clipping or straw over the top of your bed when it gets hot. Again, that will keep the water in. At the height of summer, I like to run my soaker hoses in the vegetable beds every 4 to 5 days for about 3 to 4 hours. My favorite way of watering flower beds, this is a brand new flower bed, and which you can tell, is a soaker hose. And also, what's going to help with watering, because you can water deep with a soaker hose, and it takes less water, and nothing evaporates in the hot weather. So what this also needs is the newspaper and mulch treatment. And not only does that keep down weeds, but what it's great for watering is that it keeps the soil moist a lot longer than when it's not covered. So for flower beds, the easiest thing that you're gonna want to do is lay newspaper, put your soaker hose on top of it, and then cover it all with some compost or mulch. When it's hot out, we only water the yard that we see and use. Just wanted to show you this Gilmour sprinkler up close. It's a new one they have now, and it's actually been really easy to use. Sometimes I'm very confused about what to do, but you can actually turn it on and off right down here, so you don't have to run back and forth to the spigot. And these are what you adjust, how, like if you want it to be just smaller for maybe like a bed, you can just do these things. If you wanted it to go all the way around in a circle, you just pull that up or push it down. So it's really easy to operate. So hopefully we're not going to get all sprayed with water, but it's very convenient to be able to stake it in the grass, adjust it how you want, and then turn it on from down here. So let's see. Oh, there we go. We didn't have to run back and forth to the spigot. So basically, you want to just make sure that you concentrate your watering efforts on what you and your visitors see first, and what you're growing to eat. So those are kind of the 2 most important. And then from there on out, you just want to move out from your house to what you want to see next, watered.